Most people think designing a marble cafe table is easy until they realize one mistake can ruin the entire piece. Metal selection is crucial because it determines not only the strength of the table but also how well it resists wear and tear. Stainless steel is a favorite because of its sleek modern appearance and rust-resistant properties. This makes it an excellent choice for coffee tables that will see regular use. Wrought iron, on the other hand, brings a more traditional or decorative feel. It's incredibly strong but requires proper finishing to prevent rust. Many designers love the honor possibilities of wrought iron, making it ideal for tables with intricate leg designs. Powder coated steel is another strong option, offering a wide range of colors and finishes. The powder coating adds an extra layer of protection against scratches and corrosion, extending the life of the table while allowing for customized aesthetics. The thickness of the metal frame plays a big role in durability. A thin, flimsy frame might look stylish, but it won't be able to support a heavy marble slab for long. On the other hand, an overly thick frame can make the table look bulky and overpower the elegance of the marble top. Many high-end designs use 12 to 16 gauge steel, which provide a perfect balance between strength and aesthetic appeal. This ensures the frame is steady without looking too industrial or heavy. A well-designed frame does more than hold up the marble. It adds to the overall look of the table. The structure needs to be strong enough to prevent wobbling while also complementing the marble's top natural beauty. Minimalist frames, often featuring thin legs and open spaces, create a floating effect that makes the marble the star of the show. This is a popular look in modern and Scandinavian designs. Industrial style frames, often made of thicker metal with exposed walls or rivets, bring a rugged, durable appearance that pairs well with heavier marble tops. These tables work great in loft style or contemporary homes. Crossbars and reinforcement beams add both strength and visual interest. A well-placed support beam can turn a simple frame into an artistic statement while preventing the table from bending or shifting over time. Leg placement is just as important as the frame itself. Poorly positioned legs can make the table unstable no matter how strong the materials are. Four-leg designs are the most common because they provide a balanced and classic look. They work well for nearly all table sizes and styles. Cantilever legs, where the marble top extends beyond the base, create a sleek modern aesthetic but require additional support underneath to prevent tipping. Central pedestal bases give the table a unique floating appearance, but they need to be carefully engineered to support the marble's weight evenly. The finish of the metal frame plays a major role in how the table looks and how well it withstands everyday use. Matte black is a popular choice because it provides a modern understated elegance. It works well in almost any setting and doesn't show dirt or fingerprints easily. Polished brass and gold finishes create a more luxurious high-end appearance, making them great choices for tables meant to be statement pieces. Brushed steel and antique bronze finishes bring an industrial or vintage vibe, adding character to the table. These finishes pair well with marble that has bold veining patterns. Powder-coated finishes provide extra durability and come in a variety of colors, allowing for complete customization. Choosing the right marble makes all the difference. White Carrara marble is a timeless classic known for its soft veining and bright appearance. It pairs beautifully with almost any metal frame finish. Nero Macrina marble is a bold black option that creates a dramatic contrast with lighter metal frames. Its deep color and striking white veining make it a standout choice for contemporary designs. Kalakata marble features more pronounced veining and a luxurious appearance, making it one of the most sought-after options for high-end furniture. Each type of marble brings a different personality to the table. The veining patterns, color variations, and surface finish all contribute to the overall aesthetic. Marble thickness impacts both durability and style. A thick slab creates a bold, substantial appearance, while a thinner piece gives the table a lightweight, airy feel. Standard marble thickness ranges from 3/4 inch to 1/4 inches. Thicker slabs are more durable and less prone to cracking, but they also add extra weight that requires a stronger frame. Edge profiles enhance the overall look of the table. Straight cut edges provide a clean modern finish, while bevel edges add a touch of refinement. Bullnose edges create a softer rounded look, and waterfall edges extend the marble down the sides for a seamless, luxurious effect. Marble is a porous material, which means it needs proper sealing to prevent stains, etching, and moisture damage. A high-quality sealant keeps the surface protected while maintaining the natural beauty of the stone. Polished marble has a reflective glossy finish that enhances its natural veining and color. This finish is ideal for high-end elegant designs. Horned marble has a matte satin-like texture that hides scratches and creates a softer, more understated look. Brushed or leaded finish add texture, making the marble more resistant to fingerprints and smudges. A properly secured marble top prevents movement and ensures long-term stability. Hidden support or discrete mounting techniques keep the design seamless while keeping the marble firmly in place. Silicone adhesive is a popular choice because it provides a strong bond without damaging the marble. Bracket and reinforcement underneath the top add extra security without being visible. Precision in manufacturing plays a big role in achieving a high-end result. Every cut, weld, and connection needs to be flawless to create a seamless, polished look. High-quality welding techniques ensure that the frame is strong and durable. Poorly welded joints can weaken over time, causing the table to become unstable. Each component needs to fit perfectly. Poorly aligned legs, uneven support, or mismatched finishes lower the perceived quality of the table. Precision assembly guarantees that the table looks and functions as intended. The smallest details make the biggest impact. Perfectly polished welds, well-proportional dimensions, and carefully selected materials set high-end tables apart from mass-produced versions. Each design choice, whether it's the color of the frame, the type of marble, or the shape of the legs, contribute to the overall sense of craftsmanship and luxury. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.